case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the landscape of impactful Supreme Court cases, Gardner v. Florida, a 1977 case, left an unforgettable mark. The case pivoted upon the pivotal necessity of a defendant's due process rights, which stipulate the assurance of effective counsel and the utilization of reliable, fully disclosed information during the sentencing process. The contentious case centered on a deeply sobering trial. The defendant had brutally assaulted his wife, leading to her unfortunate death. His defense disputed, claiming that heavy intoxication at the time of the crime had caused diminished recall of the horrific incident. In the poignant drama of the trial, the jury had weighed both the aggravating and mitigating circumstances surrounding the case. In delivering their counsel, they recommended a life sentence for the defendant. This advice was upended when the judge, having perused a confidential section of the pre-sentence investigation report, opted for the graver sentence: death. The case escalated, the execution of the defendant halted, sparking the Supreme Court's decision to examine the constitutionality of the judge's use of the confidential report. They concluded that this approach was a stark violation of the defendant's right to due process. The defendant was thus unjustly deprived of life without undergoing a fair process. In light of these violations, the court resolved that the death sentence should be vacated. The case was instructed to return to the Florida Supreme Court for additional trial court proceedings. Despite this redirection, the impact of the initial conviction remained unblemished, preserved in its chilling state as an unforgettable emblem of due process rights infringed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.